What's up, Seth? How is your day? Your day is going well? My day is going well too. And on I am talking to you right now. Like on Sunday, we're all going to shoot all the fireworks and can you please start the grill for that? So and after we get back after we shoot our fireworks and go to Speedy's and watch the fireworks there and come back to our property and let's shoot the fireworks again at my mom's house property. We'll do it. And let Caleb know. And we can do night shopping. So let's start is you, me first on July 2nd. And July 3rd is you, Caleb, and me about the grill trip to buy the fireworks. And yeah, like shooting fireworks. I can't wait for that. So, and yeah, well, I will talk to you later, Seth, and I'll see you right after lunch to the little house at 4 o'clock. We'll go. Thank you so much, Seth. Hey, Seth. Do you like Petey? We all love Petey as a family, right? Give me some kiss. You like kiss? You're no fun. So, that's a part of dog tricks. Well, I miss that. And have a nice Tuesday, Seth. Peace out.